Welcome. If you love shopping on Pinterest and want to make sure you never miss a great deal, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable push notifications for price drops on Pinterest so you can catch those discounts the moment they happen. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll be following the latest steps. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture, which you'll find at the very top of the screen. This takes you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where you can manage all your settings. Now, look for the notification option. It's usually easy to spot in your profile menu. Tap on notification to open up all your notification settings. Here, Pinterest lets you customize what you want to be notified about, so you only get alerts that matter to you. Scroll down until you see the shopping section. Under shopping, there's a specific option called price drops. Tap on price drops to open its settings. This is where you can control how Pinterest notifies you when the price of a product you've saved goes down. To make sure you get instant updates, find the push option and toggle it on. When this is enabled, Pinterest will send push notifications directly to your device whenever there's a price drop on something you've saved or are interested in. That's it. You're all set to receive real-time alerts for price drops on Pinterest. Now you can shop smarter, save money, and never miss out on a deal again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!